Alright, turning our assembly into a drawing. My assembly is open. I need to save it. So I will say save as. I will put it on my desktop. I will call it car assembly to car. That's fine. I know what that is. I'll hit save. I need to save all the other parts, which makes sense because the assembly is made up of all the parts. So this is a good time to remind you that you cannot get rid of anything. You need to keep all your parts. You need to keep the assembly in order to like make a drawing. So don't get rid of anything. Keep your parts. That should have worked just fine. So now that it's saved, I can click on the big orange eye drop down. I can hover over new. I can click on drawing when the pop-up appears. Instead of using our NEMS blank template, we can go ahead and use the Autodesk blank template. That's fine. I'm going to click on base. If I move my cursor over here, I will see that it is ready to draw the car. I'm going to make this my front view, so I simply left click. That window goes away. I drag it up here and I left click. I can already see that it's too big. So left click, drag this direction, left click, drag up here, left click, then right click, create. I've got my front view, side view, top view. I need to make these smaller. So position your mouse on the red dotted line, right click, say edit view, change the scale. We'll try 1 to 2. That is a pretty decent scale. So I will move these down, give them room. I will move this top left corner. Perhaps left click on that red dotted line, and that's how you can drag them and move them. Annotate is how you're going to dimension it. I will not dimension it because then you'll see the answers. I want you to dimension heights, lengths, depths, widths, diameters, all that good stuff, so I can make sure that you did step 1 of the reverse engineering project correctly, which was measuring all of the different parts with a dial caliper. We can also create a parts list on here after you've dimensioned everything using where is the parts list? There it is. Left click on parts list. I believe if you click on the drop down and then say the name of your assembly, or say the name of the file, so whatever you saved it as on your desktop, select that, then say OK, click to place, and if I zoom in you can see that it's got my parts list: axle, body, wheel. A little double clicking on there will let you edit it. We can probably even make the font bigger and so on and so forth. We'll work on that when you get to that part of the project. Thank you.